In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize your finances and budgets in Clickup so you can track expenses, manage income, and stay fully in control of your money. Start by opening your Clickup workspace. This is your main dashboard where everything lives. Make sure you're in the right space and, if possible, create a dedicated space or folder just for your finances to keep things clean and focused. Next, create a new list. Think of this like your budget sheet. Click the Create List button and give it a clear name like Monthly Budget or Personal Finances so it's easy to find later. Now, instead of building everything from scratch, choose to use a template. In the template search bar, type Budget and look for the Personal Budget template. Select it and click Use Template. Clickup will automatically generate a structured budget system for you with categories like income, expenses, subscriptions, and more. Once it loads, take a moment to review everything. You'll usually see columns for amount, due dates, notes, and status. These help you track where your money is going and when payments are due. Now start customizing it to match your real life. Add your income sources, list out your monthly bills, include subscriptions, and don't forget occasional expenses like yearly payments. Keep things simple at first. The goal is clarity, not complexity. As you get comfortable, you can refine categories or add more details. As you update your list regularly, you'll start to see patterns in your spending and gain better control over your finances. And that's it. You now have a simple, powerful budgeting system inside Clickup that helps you stay organized and make smarter financial decisions.